Good day. For today's video, we are going to discuss Physical Education 10, Quarter 2, Module 1. Physical Activity, Exercise and Eating Habit. Learning Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you are expected to: Number 1. Recognize and perform the different physical activity assessment, exercise, and eating habits, and Number 2. Promote physical fitness by engaging in moderate to vigorous physical activities for at least 60 minutes a day, in and out of school. Introduction. Warming up helps you avoid injury. By easing into your workout, you reduce the internal viscosity of your muscles, allowing them to respond better to heavy stress. Warming up also brings up your body's temperature and increases blood flow to your muscles, which decreases the likelihood of strains and overuse injuries. It can also help prevent muscle soreness and support muscle recovery from extended exercise. Finally, injuries have the potential to keep you out of your favorite exercises for much longer than it takes to warm up, so don't skip this vital part of your workout. Please do remember, an effective warm-up exercise should increase blood flow to the muscles, increase muscle elasticity, gently raise heart rate, increase mental alertness, and increase core body temperature. 3 types of warming exercises. Number 1. Cardio warm-ups. Cardio warm-ups quickly raise your body temperature and get your blood flowing. Number 2. Dynamic movement. Dynamic warm-up movements open up muscles and joints by allowing your body to go through the full range of dynamic movement that you will be performing throughout a workout. They introduce your body to different motions of active exercise and strengthen posture in a low-stakes environment, so that when the pressure is on, you are confident in the movement, meaning you are less likely to hurt yourself. Number 3. Static stretches. Static stretching includes positions that are held for extended periods of time, requiring your body to hold a position not normally maintained, and thus increasing flexibility. Example of cardio warm-ups. Number 1. Jogging. Go on a quick 5 to 10 minute run, or jog. This movement will loosen up your muscles and raise your heartbeat, easing your body into whatever heavier workout you are about to do. Number 2. Butt kickers and high knees. Butt kickers and high knees are similar to jogging, but help expand movement in the legs. Butt kickers can be performed in 10 to 20 yard intervals. High knees are performed similarly in 10 to 20 yard intervals. But rather than kicking your feet toward your glute muscles, pull your legs skyward as you run. This engages your hips, legs, and core. Number 3. Jumping rope. While you probably haven't jumped rope since PE class in grade school, it's an excellent warm-up to complete if you're pressed for time, or the weather is too unpleasant for a run. Simply grab your jump rope and start skipping for 3 to 5 minutes. This warm-up mimics the cardio and blood flow you would get on a short sprint. By the time you're done, your heart rate and body temperature will be elevated and you'll be ready to crush your workouts. Number 4. Mountain climbers. These are another great indoor warm-up. All you need is enough space to plank. To do mountain climbers, get into a push-up position with your hands flat on the rubber gym floor, shoulder width apart. Extend your legs back as if you were about to lower into a push-up. Rather than doing push-ups, kick your legs up toward your chest one by one as if you were climbing up a mountain. Just like jumping jacks, this workout quickly proves intense and will prepare your body for a bigger workout to come. Example of dynamic movements. Number 1. Lunges. Lunges activate both the quads and hamstrings. Simply extend one knee forward into a 90-degree angle while keeping your back leg straight. Hold the position for 5 seconds before switching to the other leg. Number 2. Leg circles. Leg circles are similar to arm circles, but with your legs. Lift one leg at a time, point the foot, and move your leg in a circular motion 10 to 15 times. This warm-up increases blood flow to the hip and leg, preparing it for a range of motions. Just make sure you hold on to something to keep your balance. Number 3. Ankle roll. Like leg circles, ankle rolls target your ankles to prepare them for a heavier exercise like hiking or running. Simply sit down, lift your leg up, and roll your ankle in a circle 10 to 15 times. Number 4. Shoulder roll. The shoulder roll loosens your shoulders, neck, and upper back. Lift your shoulders toward the ceiling, then roll them forward toward your chest. Then, pull them down, and back then up again toward the sky. Repeat 10 to 15 times, and then reverse the movement. These are ideal for upper body workouts. Number 5. Arm circles. Arm circles loosen up your shoulders and triceps. Stand with your legs shoulder-width apart, and extend your arms out to your sides. Twist your arms forward in a circle 10 to 15 times. Then do the same movement in reverse 10 to 15 times. Example of static movements. Number 1. Toe touch. This is the most basic of stretches. Simply bend forward at the waist, keeping your legs straight, and reach toward your toes. You'll feel stretching in your hamstrings and lower back. Hold the position for 30 seconds, allowing your muscles to loosen up. Number 2. Shoulder stretch. Take your right hand, and reach under your left arm, grasping just above the elbow. Gently pull your left arm across your chest. You'll feel your left shoulder begin to stretch. Repeat on the right side. Number 3. Chest stretch. Take a minute to stretch out those chest muscles. Clasp your hands together behind your lower back, then press down toward the earth, bringing your shoulder blades down and back, and your chest up toward the sky. Number 4. Quad stretches. This is another simple stretch. Lift your right foot toward your butt, and grab your ankle with your right hand. You should feel a relaxing stretch in the top of your thigh. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch to the left leg. Let's keep moving. Let us perform some warm-up and stretching exercises. Warm-up and stretching exercises. Number 1. Neck stretch. Static movement. Steps. Letter A. Bend your head forward and slightly to the right. Letter B. With your right hand, gently pull your head downward to stretch your neck. Letter C. Hold for about 16 counts. Repeat on the opposite side. You can check out the full video through the link provided. Number 2. Shoulder rolls. Dynamic movement. Steps. Letter A. Stand in an upright position. Letter B. Roll shoulders in a circular motion, forward to backward. Letter C. Repeat 10 to 15 times, and then reverse the movement. You can check out the full video through the link provided. Number 3. Side arm stretch. Static movement. Steps. Letter A. Stand in an upright position. Letter B. Extend the right arm to the left. Letter C. Use the left arm, hand to gently push the right arm towards the body to straighten and stretch it. Letter D. Hold the stretch for 16 counts. Repeat on the left arm. You can check out the full video through the link provided. Number 4. Tricep stretch. Static movement. Steps. Letter A. Extend one hand down the center of your back, fingers pointing downward. Letter B. Use the other hand to grasp the elbow and stretch your triceps muscle. Letter C. Hold the stretch for 16 counts. Repeat on the opposite arm. You can check out the full video through the link provided. Number 5. Hamstring stretch. Static movement. Steps. Letter A. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, one foot extended half a step forward. Letter B. Keeping the front leg straight, bend your rear leg, resting both hands on the bent thigh. Letter C. Stretch the hamstring muscles. Hold the stretch for 16 counts. Repeat on the opposite leg. You can check out the full video through the link provided. Number 6. Quadricep stretch, static movement. Steps. Letter A. Stand near a wall, or a piece of sturdy exercise equipment for support. Letter B. Grasp your ankle, and gently pull your heel up and back until you feel a stretch in front of your thigh. Letter C. Hold for about 16 counts. Switch legs, and repeat. You can check out the full video through the link provided. Number 7. Outer thigh stretch, static movement. Steps. Letter A. Sit on the floor. Extend your legs in front of your body. Letter B. Bend your right knee, cross the right foot over the left knee, and place on the floor. Letter C. Place your left elbow on the right knee. Letter D. Keep your abdominal muscles tight, and back straight. Keep your shoulders back, and chin up. Letter E. Place your right arm behind your right hip, on floor for support. Letter F. Gently twist waist, and shoulders to the right, looking behind the right shoulder. Letter G. Feel the stretch in the right outer thigh. Letter H. Inhale, breathe in through your nose, and exhale, breathe out through your mouth, as you complete this stretch. Letter I. Hold this stretch for 16 counts. Repeat on the opposite side, to stretch your left outer thigh. You can check out the full video for more additional technique through the link provided. Number 8. Inner thigh stretch, static movement. Steps. Letter A. Stand upright, with both feet facing forward, double shoulder width apart. Letter B. Place your hands on your hips to keep your back straight. Slowly exhale, taking your body weight across to one side. Letter C. Avoid leaning forward, or taking the knee of the bent leg over your toes. As you increase the stretch, the foot of the bent leg should point slightly outward. Letter D. Repeat on the opposite side. You can check out the full video through the link provided. Number 9. Calf stretch, static movement. Steps. Letter A. Begin this calf stretch with your hands against the wall, and your leg to be stretched behind you. Letter B. Keep your heel down, knee straight, and feet pointing forwards. Gently lunge forwards until you feel a stretch in the back of your calf or knee. Letter C. Hold for 16 counts, and repeat with the other leg. You can check out the full video through the link provided. Number 10. Knee bends, squat, static movement. Steps. Letter A. Plant your feet flat on the ground, about shoulder width apart. Letter B. Point your feet slightly outward, not straight ahead. Letter C. Look straight ahead. Bend your knees, as if you were going to sit back in a chair, keeping your heels on the floor. Letter D. Never let your knees extend beyond your toes. Letter E. Pull in your abdominal muscles, and keep your lower back in a near neutral position. A slightly arched back might be unavoidable. Letter F. In a controlled manner, slowly lower yourself down so that your upper legs are nearly parallel with the floor. Extend your arms for balance. You can check out the full video through the link provided. I hope you learned something from our lesson for today. See you again on our part 2 of our discussion. Thank you for listening.